Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I'm going to be unboxing an Earthquake XT 20 volt max lithium ion 3/8 cordless extreme torque today. Hold on, I'll be right back. Let me get my tools. Jeez, I just went flying. Okay, let me put them over there. I'm gonna flip it on its side like this. Well, hold on, let me get this. I'm gonna flip it on this side. I'm gonna get my fingers, or I'm just gonna grab this flat thing right here, and I'm gonna pry it up because it's kind of hard when they're brand new. So, like this, and then flip those out. That's what this side of the box looks like. And here, hold up. Spread it out, I'm using your toolbox. I'm gonna set it right here. And I'm sorry, I just had to have this for things right so they can see me. So I'm gonna pull this out. And there's the box. Let me get rid of this real quick. Sit down. And then let's put it right here. Okay, there's that. I got these flippy things right here. So I'm gonna flip these up, and then voila. Oh, wrong side. Alrighty, so this is the this is the 20 volt max lithium charger right here. And all that, so I'll show you when I plug it up, the lights come on and everything. Alright, so here's the impact. Here, let me take this box off the counter real quick. Here's my work desk real quick. Here's the charger. I'll set it right here. Alright, this is the impact. So I'm gonna flip that. And then lock. So it's brand new. It's got a full battery charge. So I'm going to take this off. There's the impact without the battery. I don't know if y'all can read that, but go ahead and let y'all try. Smells like it just burned up. Nah. Here is the 20 volt XT Max Lithium 4.0 AH, and it, as you can see, it's got the push button, the squeeze, and the bottom of it says a lot of words which I'm not going to read. And here, let me plug it in real quick to show you that the lights work and everything. Here. I'm going to go ahead and snip that off. So I'm going to plug it up here. There on my dad's new workbench. It's got a plug-in on it, so I'm going to plug it in right there. And as you can see, the light works. So, oh, and it also comes with the grease on there, so it can grease the inside so it doesn't stick real hard for, like me, can't really get it off too easily. And I'm just gonna press it on there. And if it's when it charges, it's blinking, and when it stops blinking, it is charged. And yeah, that's about it. I will show you the other stuff that it comes with. It's not very much. Inside the box, it comes with the drill, charger, and battery, and then it comes with that, and then lots of paperwork. And it has, inside the box, it has this cool little slit thing that I can slide the papers in right there, and then I can put the drill right here, right there, like that. Hold up, sorry. Just like that, like how it came. And then the battery slides right there, and the charger was right there. So, here, let me get this battery off, because I think it's supposed to come with two batteries, because one's right there in the drill, and then there's a slot for another battery. Because if I close it, it fits. So it should have came with another battery, but it doesn't say that. So I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this back up, and I'm gonna get that drill back out, or the impact back out, because I shouldn't close it with the impact in there. So I'm just gonna lay it right there. I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna plug this back up. So yeah, so we got this at Harbor Freight today about 20 minutes ago, and I just now wanted to open it. So yeah, it's gonna be a cool little toy. It's gonna be a cool one for us taking off the golf cart rims and all kinds of other stuff. So if y'all like it, y'all should go get one. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.